Hello everyone, today I'm gonna teach you HTML. So let's move on to the coding playground. So today let us first discuss about what HTML is. HTML is a programming language that one can use to make their own games applications. To generate HTML code, we can use Notepad in computer and save it as HTML file. But here I will show you in coding playground. HTML is mainly used for web development. So first of all, I will teach you the main two things in HTML, that is opening tag and closing tag. Opening tag always starts with less than sign and ends with greater than sign, and closing tag always starts with less than sign and a division sign and ends with greater than sign. Now I will teach you how to make a button. Here you can see that I have made a code that displays button login button. Now this is the opening tag, this is the closing tag on which you can see an underline, and between opening tag and closing tag, the actual thing is here, that is the name of the button, log in. Now let us run the code and see what happens. You can find the button login. Come to HTML code, and here now we will learn how to make a text, how to make a heading. So as I have told you, we can always start the opening tag with a less than sign. So start it like that, write h1, end it, and write the closing tag. Between it, write what you want as your heading. Suppose I want shopping mall, shoppingmall, shopping mall. And here one thing you need to remember, that the more the number will be, just like I have written 1 is the lowest number. The more the number will be, the lesser the size will be of the text. And if you write h1, the largest possible heading will come, that's shopping mall. My heading will be shopping mall. Now let us see that. Shopping mall has come. Now I'm gonna teach you this process with h3 and with h3, sorry, I wrote a body, h3, and then shoppingmall, shopping mall, and run this code. You get a smaller size. Now I'm going to show you how to make a paragraph. Most of us wants to write a paragraph in web page, and this is done by most of us. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna help you to write a paragraph. Suppose, for the sake of this video, I will write twinkle twinkle little star in my paragraph. So let us do the coding part. This is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. We have completed the coding part, and between the opening tag and the closing tag, we will write our text that we want as a paragraph. I will write twinkle twinkle little star. Now let's get the results. You see, that is the paragraph, twinkle twinkle little star. Let's remove it, and now we will learn how to make a link in HTML, a link in web page. Now I will take you to another web page that I made, another website. Now here you can find doctype HTML. Now you might be wondering, why have I started with doctype HTML? If you don't start a script with doctype HTML, then computer won't be able to understand that which version of HTML are you using. And then we all know that when we start a script, we must start with HTML and end with HTML too. Here I have ended it with HTML and here started with HTML. Now you know that we must always start with H1. And the main thing I want to show you here is I have used A and then href attribute. So this helps us to create the link. We will start with this and then write this href and then give an equal sign and then write the link. See, I have written the link. And now it will generate the code. Now let's end it like this. Let's see what happens. Open channel. There's a button. Let's click this. It's opening my channel, my YouTube channel. See, this is my YouTube channel. Now I will show you something about this strong and how to emphasize a text. I'm again coming here. Now if you want to emphasize a text, start with the opening tag like this and end it with the closing tag. And between opening tag and closing tag, type the text you want to emphasize. I want to emphasize the text YouTube. The result is following. And strong helps us bold the text. Like this. Let's write text here. And this is the result. The text is bold. Now that's all for today. Thank you.